Hello, my name is Eun Sam, and today I'm really happy to come here again in order to teach you another grammar lesson. In today's video, I'm going to teach you another reduction of adjective clauses. You remember my later video? It was about reduction of adjective clauses to adjective phrases, but active voice for present progressive or present continuous. Before present continuous, you had already learned present simple. Now you are learning present perfect simple. Can you tell me about reduction of adjective clauses? We use present simple and present continuous. Well, this one we refer to active voice only. It means that subject does the action. For present simple, when relative pronoun who is deleted, verb must be changed. Yeah. But when it is negative, you delete both verb and auxiliary verb. And negative adverb not is not deleted because it is not part of auxiliary verb at all. How about present continuous or present progressive? For present continuous or present progressive, you delete relative pronoun and auxiliary verb too, like am, is, are. Now let's look at the board with me. Reduction of adjective clauses. Active number 3, present perfect simple. First, you look at the example number 1. Janet, who has studied part of speak with me, is really beautiful. As you know that reduction of adjective clause to adjective phrase here, it means that we change adjective clauses to adjective phrases or participial phrases. The first example here, from who to with me, is adjective clause modify Janet. The adjective clause can be changed to adjective phrase like this. So in order to change from adjective clause to adjective phrase, we have to delete relative pronoun. But in present simple, when it is negative, you delete relative pronoun and auxiliary verb. And present continuous too, you delete relative pronoun and auxiliary verb. But how about present perfect simple here? We have who as a subject, has as auxiliary verb, study is the main verb. So in order to change it from adjective clause to adjective phrase, you delete only relative pronoun, but auxiliary verb or has here, you cannot omit it. Why? Because when you omit it, we don't know which tense it is. Okay, so we can write Janet having studied part of speak with me is really beautiful. So having studied part of speak with me is adjective phrase or participial phrase modify Janet. So this one, it means that you only delete relative pronoun as a subject, but auxiliary verb has in present perfect simple here. No, you cannot omit it at all. If you omit this auxiliary verb, you might confuse present perfect and add the tenses. Example number 2. The secret of the universe, which have fascinated people for centuries, are slowly being revealed. So relative pronoun is which, so from which to. So because it is non-defining relative clause, it's easier for us to recognize it. It is adjective clause modify the secret of the universe. Then this one adjective clause, and then we have to change from adjective clause to adjective phrases. I said earlier about when you use it as a present perfect simple like this, we cannot omit auxiliary verb at all. We only delete relative pronoun as a subject. So we can write the secret of the universe having fascinated people for centuries are slowly being revealed. So it is adjective phrase modify all here. Secret of the universe. Number 3, there is John who has not graduated from IUPP yet. Adjective clause from who to the rest of the sentence. This adjective clause modify John as a proper noun. Then change from adjective clauses to adjective phrase. We have that is John have change to having, because like number 1 as well, who have, when we change have to verb ing, you cannot write having. Actually it only have having. So from has not here we only delete who as a relative pronoun and then change to having, not having. Having not is still not. Graduated from IUPP yet. So from having to the rest of the sentence. Adjective phrase or participial phrase modify John. Again, for present perfect simple is a little bit different from present continuous and present simple. For present continuous, when you delete relative pronoun, auxiliary verb is also deleted. Present simple, when negative sentence, you delete both relative pronoun and auxiliary verb do or order. How about this? This no, when you want to change from adjective clause, like example number 1, you have to delete only relative pronoun, but auxiliary verb is still auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb cannot be left out. But for example, in the clause, it you with third person singular has, when you use as a adjective phrase, when you add ing, you have to change to base form first and then you add ing. Example number 2, same as the number 1, but this one we have has as an auxiliary verb and it is a part of base forms as well. Then we only add ing, which are relative pronoun is deleted. Number 3, that is John who has not graduated from RAP yet or IUPP. So only who is deleted, has changed to have and plus ing. Not is still not, it is negative, but not is not part of auxiliary verb. So not is a negative adverb, then not is retained in here. Okay. Well, does it make sense, everyone, after my explanation here? If you have some questions, write your question. I try my best to reply to those. Well, we come to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching my video. But don't forget to watch it every day. A new video come out a day. When you miss one video, you find it difficult to understand some part of grammar item, because everything is taught in order. Okay. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.